Oh, man. We are short. Did you expect anything else? We are short from the tippy top of this rejection. The tippy top. We have a lot to go over in today's video, everybody. Stick around. We're going to go over the ultimate count targets that I'm looking at. Bitcoin experienced a nice rejection here. We are just testing this little trend line. We're getting a bounce off this trend line. I'm going to show you what I'm seeing here on the charts. I'm going to show you a trade you can get into if you catch this video in time. What I'm looking at. I'm going to show you bullish options as well from where we're at. We're prepared for anything here. You're not going to want to miss this video because we've been calling for a while now. We called this top here, took it all the way down, took profits, rode this up here. And you know from all of my previous videos, I am looking short in all of these levels. I am looking short for a big move down to the underworld, baby.
Traveler to the great underworld.
And I'm not switching up. This is the exact level that I wanted to be at to look for a short. If you guys are new to the channel, you know, well, you're going to know now. I only trade Bitcoin and Ethereum. That is it. And I leverage trade the crap out of it. If you want to learn how I do trade, join the free Discord. It's pinned in the first comment down below. I do have my Elliott Wave course here in my style of trading for you to look and watch and take the course. It's free in the free Discord. Follow me on Instagram, everyone. I just popped this Instagram account up and I will be showing my pretty face on this Instagram. So drop me a follow. I'll be posting life stuff and a lot of trading motivation. So I'll see you over on Instagram. We need to let some more people pile on here before I do the face drop. Make sure you are following so you do not miss it. All of these are pinned in the first comment down below. All the important links. Let's get into the analysis, everybody. Let's get into the analysis. Zoomed out. If you're new to this channel, this is going to be new to you. If you're not new to this channel, you already know what I'm going to say. This is the overall structure I am playing on Bitcoin. This is where I'm at. This is my primary account. I have a secondary account that still says more downside. I'm going to bring that to your attention here today. And I'm going to show you why this is such a good short to be in. Such a good level to short. Because two of these options are pointing towards more downside. We're going to go over that. I'm just looking at an ABC flat. We have a correction down. I'm showing a correction up. I want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves impulsively down. I don't want to take out this low. I would love to come sweep liquidity under here. And then let's zoom. This is my primary account that I am playing. This is why I have been shorting. This is why I shorted the top here. I called this top when we were all the way down here. I said this is where I was shorting. We rode this up. We shorted here. We shorted here. Guys, we are on a hot streak. But this is the overall structure I am playing. We had a nice rejection at 64.3. I'm going to show you where this target comes into play for me. Also, guys, I want to bring your attention. You know, there's other YouTubers out there that have different trading styles. And it's nice when you see confluence in trading styles. I'm going to pin this in the comment down below as well. Crypto Cobra, check him out. He does some work with pitchforks. He's the pitchfork god. And I don't mess with pitchforks. But he had this level mapped out as well for a rejection point. It's the median line of this pitchfork. There's so many confluences with this level showing that it's a perfect spot to reject from and hit lower. So check out Crypto Cobra. Watch his videos, subscribe to him. He's good peoples. Show him some support, show him some love. Tell him Chart Junkie sent you in his comment section. But, man, it is looking too good. Too good. Let's zoom in on this sucker. Let's zoom in. So, first thing we're going to go over is I have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're just going to call it that. It could be 3, 4, 5, like that. Either way, it's a 5-wave shape off of the top. This is impulsive. I'm expecting continuation. Once this correction is finished, I'm expecting continuation. I can't get a corrective wave out of this. I can't get a flat out of this. It hits too low. If we stopped like right in here, okay, we can entertain that idea, but we did not. So I have to go with what the charts are telling me, guys. I have to go with what the charts are telling me. I do not care what anyone else says. I do not care what anyone else is feeling. I'm a robot. And the chart is my master. So how I am looking at this is just really, I'm just drawing it up as a simple ABC. This has been the target. How we got to that target, yeah, it's going to be a mystery. We longed this. We took profit all off the table right here. Fat profit. I think it was like 17K. Whatever it was. If you watched my last video, I was calling for this to be a flat down or more of a corrective shape here. So we have a correction up, correction down, impulse up to this target. But this was the target. How we got there was up for debate. I was short. I got stopped out here. I tried shorting again here for a flat and then up. Got stopped out again. I tried shorting again here. Made, I think, $1,500. Got stopped out again. In profit. And we are short here. And we are up about $10,000, guys. This is... If you're getting wrecked on these moves, you're just not... You don't know how to trade yet. You don't know how to trade. Looking at this as an ABC. I alerted the premium members in the premium Discord. I gave them 2 entries on this. I gave them my entry. Told them I was firing short at the exact top of this move. And if they missed it, about a half an hour later, I gave them another entry. Another one. With a tighter stop loss. If you're interested in premium, I have 24/7 live charts. We have group talk. We had an amazing group talk session. I think there was like 30 people in this group talk earlier. It gets lit. I have scalp alerts, scalp trades, my swing alerts, swing trades. I'm constantly in the chat. My indicators are all included here. Just go to upgrade here when you're in the free Discord. Click the WAP link. Sign up, and you're connected. I'll see you over in the premium if you're interested on how we do this. I want to see you all succeed. I really do. Back into the charts. I'm looking for a correction here. An ABC just correcting this move, this initial leg to the downside. Now, as you can see, pulling fibs on that. We tapped off the 786. That is why I shorted. That's a perfectly fine spot to turn around. Not probable, but fine. I'm taking a shot here because I want to catch this big move down. I don't care how many times I get little bitty stops. I take a little bit of profit off, get stopped out, break even. Take a little bitty stop, little bit of a loss. I don't care. I'll take it. I know in my head the general direction is this way. I'm ready to lose. Ready to lose. But this is what we're doing. This is what I'm doing. It's worked out fine for me so far. Everyone in my comment section, don't you worry about me. I got it under control. My family's happy. I'm happy. We're good. Believe me. We bounced off the 1-to-1 here. We hit the 1-to-1. I told them last night over in premium, this was my next level, this 1-to-1. It hit. I alerted. We are short for it. Now, this could come up to these higher fib targets. I do have issues with that. We can go over that. Right now is a beautiful spot to just keep pushing down. I have a trend line here. Everyone's long in this trend line. Let's destroy them. Let's crush them. No mercy. We have retraced this move to about the 618. There's some more confluence for you. 618. Usually they're going to be tricky on a wave 2 and pull it up to the 786. Look really bullish. We do have a fair value gap here we need to watch out for. The 786 is a perfectly fine spot for them to push this up to. If they want to keep pushing up, they can. And guess what? I'm going to short it again, baby. I'm going to short it again. I'll tell you right now. It's there. But I would love to see a rejection down. If we pull some volume here, you know, we're right at this volume zone. Another confluence piece. Things are looking good. Things are looking good. We're gonna zoom in on this smaller time frame. As you guys know, I do trade over on Blowfin. If you want to trade with us, they are no KYC. So pinned down in the first comment is this exclusive campaign that I hooked up for my community. You get deposit bonuses and you get trading bonuses on top of that. If you use the link pinned in the first comment, you will get these bonuses automatically on deposit, and then when you trade, you'll get as long as you meet the requirements, you'll get the bonuses. Take advantage of that. This bonus is crazy. I'll see you over on Blowfin. But as you guys can see, if price wants to creep back up here, that's fine. I'll probably put my stop loss in a little bit of profit. That's fine. But on this channel, we don't buy and hold. We do not spot buy. We trade. We are traders. We go up and down and up and down and up and down. A lot of people in the comments must not be traders. So, I mean, good on you. Good on you. It's really hilarious. You know, in my last video, I shorted this. We had this little move up. Everyone's all of a sudden thinking I got wrecked. Same thing here. We rode this thing all the way up. I finally started shorting here, even though this was my target. When we got this little move, do you know how many people were in the comments bragging? Oh my God, you're wrong. Oh my God, wow. Dude, you're just hilarious at this point. Because we shorted this again, took this whole little bit of a loss for a lot of bit of a gain. That's how this game's played, people. If you want to learn, just premium Discord, I'm telling you, it's where it's at. All right. Now, zooming in, smaller time frame on this. We are close up in personal. Little bit worrisome. Little bit worrisome. It looks like more of a zigzag shape. This looks like an impulse off of the bottom. Could this be just a flat correction? And we have just moved down. We have just corrected up, and now we are about to push. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is this it? It could be. It could be. Right here would be another nice short entry. If we get more of an ABC look, smaller time frame. But again, I'm short from here. My Discord is short from here. If we get stopped out, we'll look at the higher targets I was looking at. If it wants to go past the 786, it can do that. If it wants to creep higher, if it wants to zoom out of here, it can do that. Guess what? Guess how much I care? 0. I don't care. I really don't care. I don't believe that's going to happen, but I really don't care. I'm going to try another short up here if we get up here. If it wants to keep cooking, let it keep cooking. We'll sit back, let price play out, and we'll come up with a new plan of attack on this. That's what we do. But boy, oh boy, we've been nailing this market lately. Making it our little BITC. You know what the last letter is. So at the end of the day, you guys can do whatever the hell you want to do. I'm gonna, and we're gonna do whatever the hell we want to do. Best of luck to you. I appreciate you guys watching this video. I'm expecting. Let me give you some targets before I end. Let me give you some targets. We're getting a little premature. So, a couple of things. This could be an ABC down. If you are looking at this as an initial kind of starting impulsive leg to the upside, fine. Still looking at this as an impulse down, correct, and come down for some more. That's one path. There will be take profit zones in here for me, hedging against this being the count. Don't get it twisted. But as you know, I'm playing a larger flat. You know, big TP zone for me. Nice one is going to be around 57K. 57K, because I'm hedging against this ABC. Also, I'm hedging against it bouncing off the 1-to-1 and the flat being finished. Although, I would need 5 waves down, and that would be more of a zigzag type of look, right? Either way, big take profit zone. Another TP zone for me. Right here. Right up in here. 51, 52K. That's it for me. Alright. These are my 2 big take profit zones on this trade. Lord willing, if we get a push down. And then I'm predicting a nice bounce. I'm predicting a nice bounce towards all-time high. I'm predicting all-time high incoming after this move. We will be longing down here. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Let's get this up to 5K, guys. We are at 4.74K. Get me up to 5K right now. I want to see it. We are the fastest growing trading channel on YouTube percentage-wise. Growth has been crazy this past month. Let's bump this up to 5K. Let's get it done with and let's have a party. Thank you for watching this video, everyone, all the way through especially. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in Discord. I'll see you on Blowfin. Trade safe, everyone. I love you. Goodbye.